friends, I got this new indoor plant from my friend. I'm going to transplant this into this pot. I put some wood chips at the bottom. I'm going to use the indoor potting mix. With the indoor potting mix, I'm going to add some sand and some perlite. Since I'm handling the perlite and the sand and the soil, I'm wearing the mask. We can spray some neem oil also into the soil to avoid any bugs coming inside the house. Now we can top the soil with this clay balls. Thank you, Annie, for giving me this beautiful plant. If anyone knows the name of this plant, please let me know in the comments.